And we're back with another knife review. Today we're doing the Bastion Brat. It is a EDC, comes in 2 scale colors, wolf gray and black. It's a really sharp knife, and we'll go over it for you. We'll start with the black one here. We'll go over the specs. Both of these knives are D2 steel blades, satin finish. Their blade lengths are 3.3 inches. Blade width is 0.875. Cutting area on this knife, 3.25 inches. Handle length of the standard 4.5. Both knives have ceramic ball bearings for their pivot and a nice smooth pivot cap. Pivot cover cap, I guess you say. They both are liner locks with stainless steel liners. They're both 7.75 inches overall. Both have see-through chassis. And they both have flipper tabs. If my finger didn't keep slipping off of it, that would be one thing. Both have lanyard holes. Utilize 2 barrel spacers to space the knife. Scale material is G10. It is textured to keep your hand from sliding. Both are tip-up carry with a deep carry pocket clip. And now we're going to show you how they cut. We'll start off with some cutting material here. As you can see, cuts through that very smoothly, easily, no resistance. Do the same here to the paracord. See if I can get that in there. So it cuts through that. We'll do a pullback cut. As you can see, if you get it done there cleanly, you get a nice clean cut. This would be a nice everyday pocket carry. It's a $50 knife. You don't find that too much. A flipper at $50 with D2. It's a nice little knife. Let's go ahead and grab a piece of cardboard here. As you can see, it cuts right into the cardboard easily. It is extremely sharp. I barely hit my finger a second ago with the tip. And as you can see, I mean, it's just razor sharp. I like this little knife. Alright, so we'll recap this knife a little bit. These are the Bastion Brats. They are D2 steel blades, G10 handles. Whoops. They're each about 8 inches overall, and they're both liner locks. Both one-handed flippers. Alright, if you guys are watching this on Instagram, please follow Atlantic Knife, where we do these reviews pretty much daily. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I think we have close to 1,800 videos now, and counting. On that note, Bastion Brat, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.